how to fix Instagram low quality story. So otherwise, in this quick video, I will tell you how you guys can fix that. So it was very easy. So just open on Instagram app. Just open it. Here you got some baby on down right side profile pic. Once you click here, you can see, when you click on top right corner 3 lines. Now we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys will simply scroll to the end. Now here you guys can see data usage and media quality. If you simply click on data usage and media quality, now you guys will see upload at highest quality. So if your phone have that option was turned off, simply turn on it. And once you turn on it, also you guys will simply turn off data saver. And that's it. Your story quality would be fixed, and from now that to story will be in high quality. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.